Also, I'm drinking lots of water today. It's empty. I was going to pretend that it was full, but it's not. It's empty. So I'm going to go fill it up and hydrate. The sliding. No, it's worse. Wait, turn them all up. I think that's better. Good morning. I got the sound of coffee percolating in the background. Do you want to say hi, Mom? My hair looks messy too. It is post Mother's Day. We're waking up quite late today. It's like 8:30 right now. Sage got up at 7:45, which is so late. And yeah, it's a Monday. So we're just starting our day slow. I'm gonna make some coffee, my herbal coffee. I think I want to do it iced today. Yeah, I'm gonna basically share what I eat today, what I eat in a day at my parents', moving back in with the parentals. And if you guys watched my life update video, I'll link it here. You will know all about it. I'm very excited to share what the next stage of our life is going to be. Lots of new updates have happened since that life update video, which was last week. And I will share everything probably in the next video. So I think so. We've been now at my parents' for just over 2 weeks. And it's just been, well, best thing is eating all the delicious home cooked food here, which I'll probably share some today. I'm gonna make breakfast. I don't even know what I'm feeling like. What are you having for breakfast, Mom? Or what are you having to eat?
Probably oats.
Oatmeal? Yeah, I gotta figure that out. All right, let's make this. I'm having major flashback vibes right now because this is like the exact spot I filmed one of my old, maybe one of my first videos, how to make a natural makeup remover. Hi everyone, it's Nikki from HealthNut Nutrition. Today I'm going to show you a really easy, all-natural eye makeup remover that you can make in your kitchen. Wow. All happened here, guys. This is the one I'm having, some Dandy Blend. It's really good. It's just like a coffee alternative that does not have the caffeine because that's not good for me. Oh, it needs to be in a bigger, it's not cold enough. Oh, so good. I have an amazing cashew milk iced herbal coffee recipe in my cookbook. Put a photo here. It is delicious. Definitely a must try this spring and summer. And yeah, now that the weather's warming up, I think it's gonna be in the mid-20s all week. I'm doing the iced coffees. Oh, so good. I put soy milk in this because that's all we had, but a nice like almond or coconut creamer would be really good. Yum. Sage is having a scrambled egg with a little fruit salad and some multigrain toast with butter. Super simple because we slept in. For breakfast, I'm having some steel cut oats with mango, and then I just put some peanut butter in. There's also some flaxseed in here, but we're starting off with something a little warm and cozy today. It looks like this is my cup. I'm just gonna have some water so I don't spill in my non-spill sippy cup. My mom actually made this oatmeal. I can't take credit. But, you know, plus sides of living with the parents is you just resort back to teenage life and you get home-cooked meals made for you. It's really creamy. It needs a little bit of honey. So Matt is outside with Sage. They're just playing on the deck. It's a really nice day. Actually, all this week is going to be really nice. And we've just been kind of dividing the day so that we can both get stuff done. And Matt usually has the morning. He's got the hyper Sage. I'm actually gonna take Sage swimming this afternoon. There's like a recreation center close by. And we've been doing that a couple times a week. And it's a lot of fun. And it just like makes me feel like I'm catching up on those like mommy-daughter activities that I feel like I didn't get in the first year of mom life. So we're doing it now in her second year of life, and it's just as amazing. I can only imagine. I have a bunch of work to do on the computer today, lots of emails and stuff like that, the fun business side of things. I love the creation side, the filming, the creating recipes and all that, but there is the other side to running a business that is, you know, people management, running a team, emails, all the emails, invoices, taxes, you know. I feel like I never put mango in my oatmeal. My mom likes to do it. Okay, bye, Daddy. Wash your fingers. All right, it's lunchtime. I actually have a meeting in about half an hour, so I'm gonna heat up some soup. I got some meal prep soup from my mom. Basically, today's video is just eating my mom's cooking. This is a Moroccan lentil, tomato, potato, veggie soup. My mom is notorious for making like such good soups. Every time I share them on Instagram, people are like, send me your mom's soup recipes. So maybe I'll have to get them and put them on the blog or something. But she basically just makes like a soup every week, and Matt just put Sage down for bed for her nap. But I'm gonna heat this up and I'll probably just eat it on my meeting, but it's really delicious. I had some yesterday, and I find with homemade soup, it's even better the next day because like all the flavors just like marinate and get even more delicious. So I'm gonna have that. I feel like, what did I have yesterday with it? Oh, I think I just had like a bun. I'm probably just gonna have the soup right now, and then maybe like, I don't know, a snack, or probably a couple snacks this afternoon. I just have like a lot of like work things to do today, so I'm trying to like power through them, and I'm glad that food is something I don't have to think about today. Oh, there's also like coconut milk and stuff in it. It's really good. Oh, and kale, like everything. It's good for you soup. Matt doesn't want any. He's not a soup person.
No soup for you.
No soup.
No soup for you.
No soup for Matt.
No soup for Matt. Okay, so I'm gonna have some of these sourdough rye, I guess they're like crisp. It's called crisp bread. They're like crackers. This is what they look like. Super simple ingredients. That's what's inside. And then I've been loving them with, I grew up on this stuff, Laughing Cow, but they now have organic, and I just love them. They're kind of a texture of cream cheese, and I just open them up, spread it. I do like, I'll probably do two, one on each, and I'll show you guys how they open. They've just been one of my favorite snacks right now. Simple cheese on crackers. I'm gonna have that on the side of the soup. Okay, so this is how you open it up. There's like a little red tag in it. Look at that. You could put cucumber on this, you can tomato, but I just like to do it like that. I like honestly don't even know what kind of cheese this is. Just says cheese. Organic cheese and milk ingredients. Yeah, basically a cream cheese. Comment down below if you also grew up on Laughing Cow. I'll try to ask my mom what's in it or get the recipe and link it down below for you guys, but it tastes so good, super flavorful and hearty. You'll actually be full after you eat this. And then we got the little crisps on the side. Okay, I'm gonna go eat this while I'm on my call, and I will share what I have for snack. I feel like I'm gonna have a couple snacks today. Also, I'm drinking lots of water today. It's empty. I was gonna pretend that it was full, but it's not. It's empty, so I'm gonna go fill it up and hydrate. All right, I've finished my work calls. Sage is probably gonna wake up from her nap soon, and we're gonna go swimming. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a snack. I don't know if I want a full banana. Yeah, what the heck. And I'm gonna have some peanut butter. This is like my favorite afternoon snack. I'll either have banana or apple with it. Hey, Mom. I'm filming a what I eat in a day at my parents'. She Should we go grocery shopping?
I just picked up a few things, yeah.
And for Sage, usually what I do is I'll actually bring a snack for her to have right after we're done swimming. Sometimes she'll watch like the figure skaters while she's having her snack, but she's usually quite hungry right after, so I'll pack her a snack as well. But I like to eat something before we go. No. Just got back from a walk and my mom actually prepped this fruit bowl. I'm never leaving. And we're just gonna start. You want some, Ella? Go for it. Ella's gonna have some. We went for a walk with Ella, my niece, and Sage, and Cashew. Now we're fueling up on some fruit.
For a walk, I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm having one.
You ever want to? All right, now I'm gonna prep Sage's dinner, and then I'll figure out what I'm having for dinner. All right, Sage is having some cucumber pasta with peas and some pineapple and strawberries, and then she's been really into hummus lately. So I have just a dollop of that on the side. For dinner tonight, on the menu of La Casa Gigi, we have some roasted potatoes, sweet potato, chicken wings, and this isn't rapini. What is it?
No, it's Chinese cabbage.
Chinese cabbage. Normally we do rapini, but my mom's changing it up today. I'm also gonna do, I was gonna do some olives, but I think we're all out. I'm gonna do some kimchi. This is my favorite brand. It's so good. And if you haven't had kimchi, I think most of them are kind of spicy, but it's so good. It has like a very strong like scent, like almost like, do you want to eat that? But it's so good. If you love like briny stuff, like pickle, and my whole family behind me just witnessing me filming. If you like olives, pickles, like that briny taste, I think you would like. It's a fermented food, so it's good, full of probiotics, and you just have it as like a little garnish. That is my dinner. I'm gonna have some water too. Sage is in bed. We had a really nice afternoon at the pool. She did some floating and swimming, and I just watched. Yeah! Ooh! That's Diana. They had, oh my god, Diana and Sage had a bath time together. It was so cute. I have a little photo. I'll put it here. You want to be in the video? This is my niece, Ella. Oh, we went for a walk? We did a lot of stuff today. You want to be on? Okay, hang on. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
For an hour.
I'm filming everything I eat.
Really?
Yeah. Is that weird?
It's supposed to be 450.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll probably have dessert, so I'll film that. But that is the food update. I'm gonna miss these meals, these home cooked meals. We're never leaving. This is why European kids never leave the house. Why? All right, I'm gonna end the vlog. This is what we do every night. I just like decompress, watch a little YouTube. Matt's watching Black Notice. No, what's it called? Blacklist. And I am having some lavender chamomile tea. I was gonna have a little ice cream bar. I've been really enjoying those lately, but I'm like, no, not today. I don't need the sugar before bed. Having a little chamomile tea, my favorite one. I'll put a photo here. But yeah, that was my day, and I just wanted to be like a really casual, organic what I eat in a day. And yeah, we've been living at my parents' for the last 2 weeks. We officially move into the next place, I think this weekend. So the next video may be in that new place. Stay tuned. But I'm gonna go wash up. I'm feeling tired and I've just been, but yeah, okay, I'm gonna go wash up, watch a little more YouTube, lay on my acupressure mat, finish reading this book. This is the book I've been trying to finish. It's okay. It's okay. I feel like it's taken me a long time to get through this one. I was on a good streak. This one's a little, like, it's like a mystery. I don't know if I'd recommend it, but I'm finishing it. That's my day. I'm rambling. If you guys like these What I Eat in a Day videos, I have so many more. I will link a playlist down below and in the corner here. Go check it out. And I hope you guys have a wonderful night. And let me know, comment down below your favorite thing that you ate today. Let me know. I'm kind of feeling a little peckish now. I could go down for a snack, but I think I'm just tired and I'll just drink water and go to bed. and wake up extra hungry. So no, I had a good dinner. I feel like I ate a lot. I went back in for extra potatoes. They were yummy. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye guys.